For this procedure, we will be demonstrating an adhesive method roof repair using the Superflex patch material. Determine the size of the area to be repaired. Cut an oval or circular piece of the Superflex patch material 3 inches larger in diameter than the area to be repaired. Marking an alignment spot, lay the patch over the hole and center it. Then trace an outline around the patch. Remove the patch. Then thoroughly clean the troubled area of the roof, wiping off any oxidation built up. Then after cleaning, apply adhesive to the roof membrane in a circular pattern to the troubled area with a small brush or spatula. Apply adhesive to the back side of the patch in a similar fashion as on the roof membrane. Wait until the adhesive on both membranes is slightly tacky before applying the patch of the roof. Now you can align the patch to the center marking and press into place. Using the palm of your hand, apply pressure to the area to assure contact and work out any air bubbles. Then apply a bead of lap sealant completely around the perimeter of the patch. This now completes the repair using the Superflex patch material.